for watching again. And what is on the agenda for today? We're doing the Coupe. I didn't do that on purpose, but hey, that's kind of cool. It rhymed. Anyway, back on topic. So today we're going to be learning the Coupe step. And once again, I'm going to break it down for you so you can understand how it works from the front and the back. And so let's hurry up and get our dance shoes on and get our groove on. Here we go. Okay, so here's what it looks like from the front. Okay, so when you're doing a left coupe, you cross the right over the left, bring the left leg up behind the right, left leg back down, and then the right goes back together with the left. Now you're going to do the same thing on the right side, except the opposite. The left leg is going to cross over the right. You're going to bring the right leg up, bring it back down, and then bring the left leg back. So now we're going to speed it up to real time and count out the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's check it out from the back. Right crossover left, and together. Left crossover right, and together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to show you what it looks like with full body shot. But before I do that, just one extra note. I'm going to show you what the hands look like. When we do the hands, it is not always the same. What I'm showing you, however, is what we do on a very regular basis with our hands. Okay, so here we go. When you're doing a left coupe, your right arm is going to go whip around with your right leg. The same thing on the left side. So just remember, it's the same arm that moves with the leg that crosses in the front. Okay, so we're going to speed it up and take a look at it from the back. So if you notice, you can see that I've got a little bit of a hop in between. That's sort of an advanced thing. You don't have to do that. It looks pretty though. Yay! So that's the coupe step, and now you need to practice it over and over again until you get it down. Just like I say in every one of my videos, it takes practice. So you go ahead and practice until we meet again next week. I will see you back here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.